Right, here's Holmes Avenue number 2 here in Huntsville, Alabama. Behind me is Holmes Avenue number 1. The first signal here, it is a federal signal cantilever, though sadly the label has come off of the base. So, since you made it for a long time, I realize it's federal signal. But here's the emergency information. As you can see, this is crossing, the dot number is 352-969H at Holmes Avenue. The lights are federal signal 8-inch lights with Westcall & Hayes first generation LEDs in them, but you can't really see very well. The overhead lights are all 8-inch. They're a mixture of federal signal and WRS. That one right there is WRS, so I'm not sure how you can see that. The rest are from federal signal. They also have Westcall & Hayes 8-inch first generation LEDs. The bell is a federal signal mechanical bell. Yeah. Not sure why you can see that, but that's federal signal mechanical bell. There's track view down looking into the Huntsville Mass County Railroad's yard. It's at the very northern end of their line. The grade's actually wooden, whereas the other one's asphalt. Used to be a bit more rough, and then they've hatched it a bit. Now I'm gonna go over here. Across the street real quick, and here's a view of the other side of the crossing, so you can see how close these two crossings are together for Holmes Avenue number 1 too. That's Holmes Avenue number 1 over there at the gates. Holmes Avenue number 2 is the closer with the much older signals. And we're about to be able to cross here, so good. And now, here's the other side of the crossing. Here's the other side of the crossing. It's pretty much like the other one, except without a bell, but there are a few differences. And right here we have another unmarked federal signal cantilever. Here's the emergency information again. These are all federal signal 8-inch lights with Westcall & Hayes first generation 8-inch LEDs, though the 8-inch LED in this light right here is actually second generation, and this light actually needs to be renamed. It's was hit by something, is now knocked downwards a bit. Then we got the overhead light, switch all federal signal 8-inch lights with Westcall & Hayes first generation LEDs. As you can see, the one right there is missing the visor, but not much I can do about that. Over here we have a track view facing towards the Norfolk Southern Memphis District East End. And here's the relay case, which I'm going to get a better view of right over here, so you can see the entirety of it. And on the side of the relay case, we have the HMCR's dot tag. So yeah, Holmes Avenue number 1 here in Huntsville, Alabama. Over and out.